fuck up. Hey guys, welcome back to Shakera's vloggity vlog. So today's Friday, y'all, and I'm headed to Zara right now. Plus Zara's having a sale. I'm never gonna keep my hopes up thinking I'm gonna cash the fuck out leaving with multiple bags. That Zara don't be having nothing, and then with a sale, bitch, about to be empty. But I need to go to Old Navy for medicine, and I think I'm gonna stop at Victoria's Secrets because I kind of threw some underwear that needed to be thrown out, plus ones that I feel like I didn't like anymore. So after the mall, I'm going by my friend's house because she wanted to do my makeup, and I haven't seen her in a long time because sis been hiding from me. Like, I don't know what's her problem. She be hiding from me, but I'm gonna press her when I see her though. But y'all, it's so freaking hot today. Like, oh my god, it's so freaking hot. I need to buy back a car mount charger because medicine broke the one that I had. I don't have nowhere to catch up my camera, and my boyfriend is very selective with where I have to put my camera. I don't know. I have an obsession with the Bottega green. Don't correct me. Tell me it's just green.
It's green.
Anyways, y'all know what I'm talking about.
It's green.
I've been obsessed with the Bottega green, but I got a green heels off Shein. I like it, but it's not the most comfortable. But I think this is like given. Zara is not as packed as I thought it would be, and so far I found a lot of stuff. Well, at least for me. I haven't gone to the kids section just yet, but I'm loving everything that I picked up. And the fitting room is closed, so I'm gonna just buy them. If they don't fit, I could always return them. My titty's not gonna hold in that shit. This jacket is like so freaking cute. Normally I get small. It's like really fitted, but I think it could work because I don't really close my jackets. It's too cute, and all they have is extra small. It's the next day, guys, and I'm headed to the American Dream Mall in New Jersey. Yo, when I tell you I worked this candle, I need to go back to Target and get some ASAP. Like, it was too good. The baying is back, y'all. Honestly, this is my lazy week. Like, this is my lazy week, but I need a new lazy week because this one, she's worn the fuck out. Okay, worn out. Hair company sent this to me years ago to do promo, and it's been holding up. Like, the bitch been hanging on for dear life, and I love that. And this was my very first time doing a bang, and I did that. But I've tried doing bangs after that, and it just didn't work out. So I guess this was the wig. This is that girl, but I really do need a new one now. But if I'm supposed to lift this up and y'all see the lace, baby, it's giving cancer. Okay, straight up cancer. And I know that's not something to joke about, but you know, I'm just trying to make a point. But the only time I put this on is when I'm about to get my hair done, because like when I wash it and I do my braids, I'm not trying to glue nothing down. Okay, so whenever you see this wig on, that's what that means. But yeah, I have a story time for y'all. I can't really tell y'all right now, but it's been crazy. I'm going on vacation next week Tuesday. Today is Thursday, and this afternoon I have to get my nails done. I don't really like that for me because it's Thursday and my vacation starts Tuesday. Hey guys, it's the next day and a girl got her gratters, her clackety clack clack back. Like, I'm speechless. Speechless, okay? And guys, this thing right here is basically toothpaste. My friend told me to put some toothpaste on it because for some reason a bump just appeared there. Like, why now? Anyways, guys, I went back to long nails and I chose a different shape. I call these the mixed stallion, but the proper terminology is the lipstick shape. But like, they're really fire. Like, I really like them. And it's like this glass crocodile ombre. It's a lot going on and I really love them. But like, they're like so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed. My boyfriend think they're ghetto, but it's vacation, so it shouldn't be a problem. I can't wait to get my hair done. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, but I'm about to head out just now, and I got me a package. This is the Sol de Janeiro. I first tried it when I went to Sephora a couple months back. And I was on Instagram and I saw that they had a sale. I upgraded to the bigger size because like, it's a bomb. Like, it's bomb as fuck. Travel size that I have is almost done. I bring it in my bag every day. I'm gonna put this in my suitcase now. I actually do need to pack, y'all. I haven't packed anything. I don't know, this vacation I just feel like I'm not as excited. But anyways, the next product I got is this body mist. It smells just like the body cream and I just love it. And then like, I love the pink, and y'all already know baby pink is like my favorite color. Like, if you talking about baby pink, you talking about Shakera. Like, look at this. My little box cutter is pink. My phone case is pink. Bitch, I just love pink. But yeah, that's all that I got, and I need to hurry up and go on the road. I gotta come back, wash some makeup brushes. I might have to pack my suitcase, and yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all later. So I just got back home, guys. I went to Old Navy and Target because like, I don't know, I just can't stay out of Targets. It's like some force in there just pulling me like, Shakera, come, we need you, come spend some money. I didn't really do too much damage at Target. I got this bag filled with skincare, body care, and a couple candles. So this is all I got from Target, guys. I got mostly skincare, and it's from the brand Versed. I also picked up this body wash. I saw it at a self-checkout and it smelled really good, so I had to take it. And then I got some Libra candles, but these are from my best friend. And I got one Leo. I didn't find no Pisces, but I did re-up on my energy candle, and these were the only two that I saw, a big and a small one. And I didn't even know it actually came with a lid, y'all. I like it. And also, guys, I got me some cotton pads because for the longest my ratchet ass been using paper towels. So that's all that I got from Target. I just got back from getting a pedicure and I couldn't even vlog because I took medicine. And let me just say, sis showed her ass, okay? Like, sis was acting up and it wasn't even possible. Like, I was trying to calm her down. Like, she was doing the most. But I'm home now and outside is freaking hot as fuck. I'm about to leave in a few to go get my hair done, so the next time y'all see me, I should be a new bitch. Okay? Period. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place. I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate. I'm just saying. Feel
feel like we one and the same. Our relationship changed, scattered, it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time with you.
Today was a long day, y'all. I woke up early this morning, like 11 o'clock. I went to get me a pedicure. I had to stop at CVS for some medication. Then I had to go straight to get my hair done. Then after getting my hair done, I had to go to a barbecue. But yeah, guys, I need to hurry up and go to frick to bed. I don't know if I'm gonna do any skincare right now, but yeah, let's get into the wig. Like, it's fucking late. Like, let's really talk about it. Like, let's talk about it. Okay, period. Anyways, this man coming here pissing and shit.
Listen.
In my vlog. Nasty.
Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like an OG. And they want the tea on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gone.
Hey guys, it's your favorite micro influencer. Y'all, let me stop. So today's 4th of July, y'all, and tell me why I almost didn't get my lashes done. Because the girl that I booked, I was scheduled for today. She texted me last night, oh, she have an emergency and she has to go to the emergency room. Y'all, I was feeling some type of way. Like, I was so mad because prior to that, my nails, same thing happened with my nails. I had scheduled an appointment for today at 4, and the girl texted me back like, oh, she's not going to be available for that time. And then my nail tech, she was going on vacation and I didn't want to do my nails early. But you already seen that I did my nails early, which was Thursday. But it's whatever. So we came to the city and I stopped at Zara. Yeah, I didn't get anything. I actually returned something. But we've been sitting in the car for like 20 minutes trying to find a rooftop to go to because we trying to watch the fireworks. Yeah, it takes skills to drive in the city because these cab drivers act like I them own the road. I'm going straight, right, man?
Oh my god, yes.
Shut the fuck up.
But they got more right here.
Y'all.
Oh, they got the bags.
Wow.
Oh,
they got the Dior, the Gucci.
Look over there, they got a purse. It's all right
look at that Fendi purse, that pink one. It's pretty though. It's cute. I ain't gonna lie, it's cute. I can't even take the camera down and show y'all, but the whole street is lined up with fake designers.
This is how they be looking rich.
Not that they be looking rich. That's crazy. That's the first time I actually seen like that. Man, you're not gonna buy the latest Fendi.
Yo, listen.
Or the Balenciaga.
Yo, listen.
All I know is I'm gonna be so freaking tired tomorrow, y'all, because I just got done packing a couple of things that I didn't really put in my suitcase yet, like my skincare, oral hygiene, and body care products. It's 2 o'clock, 2:06 to be exact, and I'm gonna take the longest shower. I don't even know if I'm gonna get any sleep tonight because I have to wake up in the morning, go back to the mall, and after I'm done showering, I have to add this part to my vlog because I'm editing, and I really need to post a video before I leave. And I'm just praying, like I'm praying, hoping to God, like when I put it on YouTube, they don't hit me with a copyright strike. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, and of course I'm gonna start a whole new vlog while I'm on vacation. So I'm gonna see you guys next time.
They say opposites exact, we can balance. I know whoever slept on you, getting mad is what I can blow. Take on you, take advantage. I see a good girl with the bad.